Hi everyone, so today I have come up with this glass skin look. Glass skin is basically your skin but so much better. It is clean, it is full of luminosity. So let's get started. I'm going to be using this Bobbi Brown face oil. I'm just going to be applying this all over my face liberally. It's very important that you massage the oil really well into your face. Now I'm going to be picking up my Smashbox Photo Finish Radiance Primer. Also applying this all over the face to give a very natural glow to the face. Now I'm starting with Makeup Forever HD Foundation and mixing this Startiest Pro Glow into the foundation. I'm going to be taking very little quantity and just going to be mixing them very liberally. Once I start applying that on my face, I will be using my fingers and not the brushes, because when I use my fingers, the foundation really seeps into the skin and the skin looks very skin-like and not made up at all. Now I'm going to be picking up my NARS concealer, just applying this in the areas where I need any kind of concealing and not overdoing it at all. Spreading this with the concealer brush because I want a very natural sheer sort of a coverage. Just blending it really well because we do not want it to look like makeup at all. As you can see, it has added a lot of glow to my face. Now I've picked up this Kiko Milano lip and cheek tint. Just going to be applying this on my cheeks and spreading this very beautifully. My cheeks look super natural but flushed at the same time. I'm going to be applying the same tint on my lips also to give them a very natural rosy tint. On the eyelids as well. So the reason why I'm using this is because the whole face looks super natural, and because it's cream, it blends into the skin really naturally. I'm going to be curling my lashes now. This is a process I never skip. No matter light makeup or heavy makeup, I have to curl my lashes. Now I'm really happy with the glow, and I'm just going to be filling up my eyebrows with some eyebrow pomade. Now applying my Body Shop Strawberry Lip Balm. This is also really sheer, very natural. Just going to make my lips look so much more plump and shiny. Contouring my face to give it a 3D effect and not make it look flat. Just adding a little bit more of lip tint. And you're ready to go. Here is the final look. I'm totally in love with this. My face looks super natural. It's luminous, it's beautiful, it's clean, no imperfections are visible at the same time. It's reflecting light like a perfect mirror, perfect glass, and that is exactly what I wanted. I really hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.